Across our planet's tropical and subtropical regions lies one of the most iconic and biodiverse landscapes, the savanna. These vast grasslands stretch as far as the eye can see, dotted with scattered trees and alive with the rhythm of nature. Savannas are defined by a balance: enough rain to support grass, but not enough to create a dense forest. This delicate climate shapes every life form here, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant. The African savanna, perhaps the most famous, hosts the Great Migration, an epic journey of over 1 million wildebeest, zebras and gazelles moving in search of fresh grass and water. Zebras, with their striking stripes, aren't just beautiful. They use these patterns to confuse predators and even deter biting insects. Predators here are masters of stealth. Lions, cheetahs and leopards rely on camouflage and patience, blending into the tawny grass until the perfect moment to strike. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, but only for short bursts. Elephants roam in close-knit families led by a matriarch. Their deep rumbling calls travel miles, guiding members back together even when separated. Waterholes are lifelines here, gathering places for countless species, sometimes peacefully, sometimes tensely, depending on who arrives first. Giraffes with their long necks feed on leaves unreachable to others, shaping the landscape by pruning the tops of trees. Bird life in the savanna is just as diverse: hornbills, weavers, and secretary birds all filling unique ecological roles. Even tiny architects leave their mark. Termite mounds aerate the soil and provide shelter for reptiles, insects, and even small mammals. The plants of the savanna are as specialized as its animals. Grasses grow quickly after rains, then harden to survive the long, dry months. Rain comes in dramatic bursts, often transforming the dry plains into vibrant green within days. Every drop of water is precious, drawing in predators and prey alike in a delicate dance of survival. Heat shapes daily life here. Most activity happens in the cooler hours of dawn and dusk. Pollinators thrive in brief blooming periods, ensuring the next cycle of grass and flowers. Seasonal movement defines life here. Herds migrate hundreds of miles, followed closely by their predators. Hyenas, often misunderstood, are skilled hunters and vital scavengers, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Some savannas host surprising guests, like flamingos, who arrive when rains create temporary wetlands. Leopards adapt by taking their prey into trees, safe from larger carnivores below. The savanna's open skies provide some of the most breathtaking sunsets and starry nights on Earth. Humans too have long lived alongside the savanna: herders, farmers, and communities who depend on its resources. Indigenous knowledge has helped sustain both people and wildlife for centuries. But the balance here is fragile. Overgrazing, poaching, and climate change threaten the harmony of this ecosystem. Conservation efforts aim to preserve migration routes and protect endangered species. Species like the black rhino still face severe challenges, but dedicated reserves offer hope for their survival. The savanna is not just a habitat, it's a living, breathing system where every species plays a part. It's a place of beauty and struggle where life and death play out daily in a timeless cycle. From the ground to the skies, the savanna remains one of nature's most unforgettable spectacles. Its resilience is a reminder that balance is key to nature's survival and our own. Even after dark, life here continues. Some animals hunting, others resting, all part of the savanna's rhythm. And as each day begins anew, the wildlife of the savanna continues its eternal dance. The savanna is a story written in movement, light, and life itself. Cherishing it means protecting it, for generations yet to come. This is the wildlife of the savanna, an enduring treasure of our natural world. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.